This video is only for education and information purpose.
Today in this video, I will tell you everything about JCPenney's return policy, including how it works for all items, returns with or without a receipt, returns without tags, and even returns after 30 days. Let's get started. JCPenney's holiday return policy. For purchases made in-store or at jcp.com on or after 15th October, you can return or exchange items with an original or gift receipt through 15th January. Refunds will be issued to the original form of payment or a JCPenney gift card. If you don't have a receipt, you may qualify for a merchandise return voucher at the item's lowest selling price within the last 45 days, as long as you present a valid ID. Please note that some exclusions apply. General return policy. For regular purchases, you can return or exchange items within 60 days of the original purchase date, as long as you have the receipt. Refunds will be processed to the original payment method or issued as a JCPenney gift card. If you don't have a receipt, you may still be eligible for a merchandise return voucher for the item's lowest price in the last 45 days, provided you have a valid ID. Some exclusions apply. Items that cannot be returned. Certain items are non-returnable, including gift cards, monogrammed and personalized items, altered items, body jewelry, face masks, false fake eyelashes, ear piercing kits, perishable foods, services. How to return an in-store purchase with a receipt. To return an in-store purchase, simply bring the item along with your receipt to any JCPenney store within 60 days. An associate will assist you with the return. Returning online orders. For items purchased on jcp.com, you can return them within 60 days with a receipt. Refunds will go to the original payment method or a JCPenney gift card. If you used PayPal, your refund may be processed to PayPal or issued as a check. Receipts for online orders can include receipt from in-store pickup, order confirmation email, packing slip from your package. There are two ways to return online orders. In-store, visit your nearest JCPenney store for a quick return. By mail, log into your account, select your order, and follow the Start a Return process. Note that a return shipping fee of $8 will be deducted from your refund. Refund timelines. JCPenney credit card. Refunds take 3 to 4 days to appear. Bank or debit card. Refunds typically take 7 to 10 days. Returns for buy now, pay later purchases. With a valid receipt, refunds for buy now, pay later purchases will be credited back to the loan or issued by Synchrony. For details, contact Synchrony at 8443734960. Final reminder. Remember, returns are always free when done in store, and you might even find something new to love while you're there. That's it for JCPenney's return policy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you with your next return.